Okay, so today we're talking about why you're still not making money online on Skool. So, let's be honest. You don't have a money problem, you have an avoidance problem. Most people say, I'm trying, and no, you're not. You're thinking, planning, watching, waiting, instead of doing the one thing that matters, which would be taking action and ultimately talking to people. And that's it. If you don't have conversations, you don't make the money. You don't need more content or a better niche or a new idea. You need reps. You gotta put in the reps. And these are real ones. So here's the uncomfortable part. You already know what to do, you're just not doing it because it's awkward, uncertain, and you might look like a big old dummy. Meanwhile, someone worse than you is sending messages, getting ignored, learning, and eventually getting paid. So let's make this part simple. What you're gonna do today is message 5 people. Feel free to use my software on Skool, but you don't have to. You're gonna ask them about their problem, these people that you're reaching out to, and you're gonna try and help. That's the whole game. You're gonna do that every day, and you will get a win. If you don't reach out, nothing happens. There's no magic, there's no secret, there's no avoidance versus, there's just avoidance versus action. So don't take my word for it though, test it out and try it for yourself. Just remember, at the end of the day, the easiest thing to do is to sit and plan and use the excuse of not knowing exactly what to do next to not do anything right now. But I can tell you certifiably, absolutely, completely, everyone that I know that's been successful in life took action when they didn't know, quote, what the hell they were doing. Everyone that I've met, Skool Games winners or the rest, when you ask them, when you sit down with them, you're like, so what did you do to get here? Like, really? Usually the answer is, I don't know. I just tried shit and it worked. And that's basically the game. You try shit and see what works. And those are the people that I meet, and those of you that are uncertain yet about what to try so that you can get there, well, we won't know your name until you try shit, and then some of it will work or not work. But eventually, it will work. Okay, hope that helps. Have fun, make friends. See you all in the next one.